Two less numbers. I'm an actress I should star, and a friendly vendor I profess him. Well, what can I help you, sir? I'd like a pair of black shoes like I once in the window. Of course, sir. Let's see. The numbers you are looking for must be 41 true? No, I want a 39, please. Excuse me? Sorry, been warning and this for 21st, and their number must be 41. Maybe 41, not 39. A 39, please. Excuse me, I don't know what food market what you want, but I want a pair of 39 shoes. The salesman thinks out of the drugs are trained, addresses the sellers of shoes hoods. To measure then, we attack the section. Pro thinks, Lucy, what I said 41. Tell me who is going to pay for the shoes. You or me? You. Alright, so with you bring me 39. The salesman between said and surprised, going to pour the person's shoes of number 39. And the wit is realizing what is happening. The shoes are not formed, but surely they are to make a gift. Sir, if you are the 9 black country hop, the shoe horn, are you going to point them on? Yes, of course. They are for you? Yes, can you read me a shoehorn? The shoehorn is sent to that, then puts in the shed shoe. After several times until the persistence, the cannons managed to point his 10-foot side to the shoe. The treat was undressed. He walked a few steps on the carpet, walking differently. It's okay, I will take them. The seller has his own field shut and maintaining the cosmeter in glass cups inside the shoes of 39. Shall she wrap it for you? No thanks, I'm wearing them. Shall I wrap them for you? No thanks, I'm very well. The client leaves the store and works as best he can at the backs and sprint him from his work. In work and teller in a bank. At 3 o'clock in the afternoon, after having spent most of the 6 hours studying in those whose are faces of shape, eyes are red, tears stream down our eyes. His companion he went next door, next been watching in the afternoon, and is worried about him. What's wrong? Are you ill? No, it's the shoes. What's wrong with the shoes? They pierce me. What happened with them? Have they got wet? No, they are 2 numbers smaller than my foot. Shoes, are they? Mine. I do not understand. You do not feel hurt? They are killing me, my feet. And so, I'll explain himself so hard. I do not live a great system essential actually. Lately, I have very few pleasant moments, and I'm killing myself with these shoes. I suffer terribly. It's true, but in the few words, when I have you and take them off, can't you imagine the pleasure I will feel? What a pleasure, man! What a pleasure!